Thanks for joining us. The Minnesota United FC will become a Major League Soccer team in 2018.
The team, which currently plays at the National Sports Center, is expected to have a new home in Minneapolis by then. CTN Steve Antis joins us now with more on this week's historic announcement. Hi, Steve.
Kieran and Steve, the Minnesota United, which nearly folded several years ago before they received a new owner stepping forward, will become the 23rd team in Major League Soccer. The new team will be run by a Minnesota ownership group led by Dr. Bill McGuire and will play in a new soccer stadium to be constructed near Target Field. The announcement was made in front of many longtime soccer supporters in downtown Minneapolis Wednesday morning. 5 years ago, the soccer team barely drew 1,000 fans to its home games. Last year, games averaged 5,000 fans, and that's expected to continue to grow as the Minnesota United move to a higher level. Average league-wide attendance for Major League Soccer games is closer to 20,000 fans.
We have an ownership group that loves the state, that loves our sport, that believes in the power and the influence of our great game, that is committed to building a building that celebrates the game, that can be a cathedral for our league.
Today, this is really just about what an honor and a privilege it is for all of us to be chosen to be partners with Major League Soccer in this community for all the things it represents and all the things our community represents.
Along with Major McGuire, investors include Twins owner Robert and Jim Pohlad, Wendy Carlson Nelson, and Timberwolves owner Glenn Taylor. A new stadium in Minneapolis is expected to cost $150 million. City and state leaders have already rejected direct public subsidies for a new stadium. A stadium plan is expected to be presented by July 1st. Stephen, Karen, this makes the 6th Major League sport team in Minnesota.
All right, exciting for soccer fans. Thank you, Steve.